Hi dear friends, we have a product in engineering grout range named Flogrout SRC. Flogrout SRC is a single pack, ready to use, ultra high strength, free flowing, non-shrink, sulfate resistance grout. Flogrout SRC is a blend of specially processed cement and special fillers free from corrosive substances and additives. It is non-metallic and contains no chlorides. Flogrout SRC is supplied as ready-to-use grout requiring only addition of precise quantity of water at site. Say for example 4 liter per 25 kg grout. Flogrout SRC is suitable for gap widths of between 10 mm to 50 mm. The benefits of using Flogrout SRC are as under. It is pre-packed, factory-controlled, consistent material needing only addition of water. It is suitable for shrinkage offset by expansion to ensure original volume is retained. Flogrout SRC is free-flowing and self-leveling grout. It has easy placement and filling of underbases of machinery. It has superior freeze-thaw resistance and has excellent resistance to concrete and steel. Flogrout SRC can be used to bolt pockets and base plate grouting of all equipments, cranes, stanchion bases and all types of machinery with dynamic load. Construction activity in saline land, chemical industries, water storage, underground foundations, etc. Flogrout SRC is available in grey color powder. The mixing process of Flogrout SRC is discussed as under. Mechanical mixing using a grout mixer or free-fall concrete mixer is recommended. No hand mixing is permitted. Now place 80% of water required in a concrete mixer, 100% in case of a grout mixer. Then slowly add the required amount of Flogrout SRC while continuously stirring it for 1 minute. Add balanced quantity of water, that is 20%, and mix it for 3 to 5 minutes. This will provide a smooth, even consistency of grout. The mixed grout must be placed immediately and grouting must be continued till the cavity is filled. Depending on the size of the bolt pockets, 50 to 100% cleaned 10 mm sound aggregates by weight of grout consumption may be incorporated to economize on grout and also to keep the heat of hydration low. When the thickness exceeds 100 mm to 150 mm, our technical department may be contacted for advice. There must be at least 12 hours gap between bolt pocket and underbase plate grouting sequence. Leak-proof strong formwork must be provided to withstand operational stresses while grouting, and all edges must be sealed with Flogrout SRC of traveling consistency to arrest the grout from flowing out of the formwork. The sealed edges must be strong enough to resist fluid grout, at least by 1 to 2 hours after sealing. Hydrostatic heat by 150 to 250 mm must be provided to enable the free flowing of grout under the base plate. Grouting must be continuous until the cavity is completely filled to the desired level. Flogrout SRC is supplied in 25 kg lined HDPE bags. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.